Question: the runs scored by two teams A and B on the first 60 balls in cricket match are given below. Represent the data of both the teams on the same graph by frequency polygons. Solution: here we observe that the class intervals are not continuous, as the upper limit of any class interval is not equal to lower limit of next class interval. So, in order to make the class intervals continuous, we will use following conversion rule. Here, half of lower limit of second class interval minus upper limit of first class interval is equal to half of 7 minus 6, which is equal to 0.5. So, add 0.5 in upper limit and subtract 0.5 from lower limit in each class interval. Now, we will construct a new table. In the first column, write continuous class intervals. Now, calculate the class mark for each class interval. Write these class marks in the second column. In the third column, write the runs scored by Team A, and in the fourth column, write the runs scored by Team B. Frequency polygons of both teams can be drawn as follows. On x-axis, plot the number of balls, that is, class marks, and on y-axis, plot the runs scored by the students. To make frequency polygon of Team A, plot the following points on graph: 3.5, 2, 9.5, 1, 15.5, 8, 21.5, 9, 27.5, 4, 33.5, 5, 39.5, 6, 45.5, 10, 51.5, 6, 57.5, 2. From the table, we can see that the difference between two consecutive class marks is 6. So, we assume two imagined class marks 6 units to the left of 3.5 and 6 units to the right of 57.5. That is minus 2.5 and 63.5 respectively. To complete the frequency polygon, plot two more points: minus 2.5, 0 and 63.5, 0. Now, join all these points with freehand curve to get frequency polygon of Team A. Similarly, for Team B, plot the following points on graph: minus 2.5, 0, 3.5, 5, 9.5, 6, 15.5, 2, 21.5, 10, 27.5, 5, 33.5, 6, 39.5, 3, 45.5, 4, 51.5, 8, 57.5, 10 and 63.5, 0. Join all these points with freehand curve to get frequency polygon of Team B. Hence, red curve represents the frequency polygon of runs scored by Team A, and blue curve represents the frequency polygon of runs scored by Team B.